Grade 5 Spelling List Number 7. Strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H. The quality or state of being physically strong. Everyone was surprised of his strength. Worked. W-O-R-K-E-D. Past tense of work, which means be engaged in physical or mental activity in order to achieve a purpose or result, especially in one's job. She worked until the job was done. Tomb. T-O-M-B. A large vault, typically an underground one, for burying the dead. The mummy's tomb was open when they saw it. Finale. F-I-N-A-L-E. The last part of a piece of music, a performance, or a public event, especially one particularly dramatic or exciting. The show's finale shocked everyone. Textbook. T-E-X-T-B-O-O-K. A book used as a standard work for the study of a particular subject. I will buy the textbook online. Waiting. W-A-I-T-I-N-G. The action of staying where one is or delaying action until a particular time or until something else happens. He was waiting in the office. Combustible. C-O-M-B-U-S-T-I-B-L-E. Able to catch fire and burn easily. That gasoline is highly combustible. Character. C-H-A-R-A-C-T-E-R. A person in a novel, play, or movie. They chose their favorite book character. Frightening. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-I-N-G. Making someone afraid or anxious. That situation was frightening for him. Succumb. S-U-C-C-U-M-B. Fail to resist pressure, temptation, or some other negative force. He would eventually succumb to his problems. Click the link below to download free spelling printable. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more video tutorials.